Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my boxy charm. This is September's. It is obviously really late. So yeah, if you are new, welcome to my channel, and if you are not new, welcome back and thanks for joining us. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. So let's just jump right into this month's box. This is the Boxy Charm All Access, and I have variation number 1, which I don't exactly know what that means, but I can see right in here some of the things that I already knew about. Did know about this, and this is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. So yep, that is that. There are some okay colors in here. I will never probably use this one or the black one. So I guess like this, I will, from like here down, I'll use. So if you just took those two out, it's okay. When I saw that this or this palette were part of it, I wasn't sure exactly which one I wanted. This one I don't think I'll use very much, and I have a lot of these shades, so I might just give it to somebody. At this point, there has been given a few palettes that I haven't been super impressed with. So Boxy Charm, I don't know. I really am not impressed. I'm sure most people love this palette, but it's not really my jam. The Violet Voss palette is also a $29 palette, so okay, that's about normal though for decently priced palettes. Okay, so up next is this here. This is the Dr.Brandt biotic, maybe? I don't know. Recovery Sleeping Mask, and this is a $52 cream. So you open up the box, and this little here is 50 grams or 1.7 fluid ounces, and this is a sleeping mask, so it's for all types, and it's a recovery and sleeping mask. It says to apply to clear, clean skin, dry skin before bedtime, do not rinse, use nightly. It's pretty much a cream. So it's night face cream. So there's that. It's supposed to deeply hydrate, moisturize, reduce redness and signs of irritation. So I don't really know. Dr.Brandt we've gotten quite a few things from Dr.Brandt in our Boxy Charms, and I have got face masks, face creams, face washes, and now this. So I actually mostly like Dr.Brandt stuff, and usually it's pretty decent. I think it's very overpriced for what it is, but who knows? I haven't found like a huge difference in their stuff compared to other stuff, but that's okay. So up next is this here, and this is the BD Billion Dollar Brows, and this is the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. So it comes like this. I have a Maybelline one like this where it's got those little slits in it, and so you just draw on your tiny eyebrow hairs. Very good at using these. They are supposed to be individual lines. There is that, and this is an $18 brow pencil. Then we have this here, and this is from Hank and Henry. And this is it's called Blickity Black. And this is eyeliner, and it's black. It's an eyeliner. This is a $20 eyeliner. Yeah. I have no idea why this is a $20 eyeliner. I could see maybe if it was completely waterproof, it would be okay, but honestly, okay. So there's that. And then the last thing in here I'm actually happy about are these here. These are the Moda Pro from Royal and Nickel, and they are a set of makeup brushes. And we have received Royal and Nickel Pro brushes before in the Boxy Charm, and there is, which brush is it? It's this one here. This is the BMX $4.30, and this is like a crease brush. And I have one of these already, and this is one of my favorite brushes when I'm doing like crease work. So I was very excited to hear that there was another one of these in BoxyCharm. And then of course we have 4 other brushes, and this one here is like a line brush, so it's like one of these. So it's an eyebrow brush. That's what I use it for my eyebrows. And then this one here is a shader brush. So I'll definitely use this for probably putting on a base color on my eyelids. And then these 2 are what they call a detailed brush and then a smudger brush. So this is the smudger brush here, and then this is the detailed one. I technically use both of these to smudge, so that's okay. I was planning on using the makeup brushes and the eyeshadow palette to do an eyeshadow look. I'm not wearing eyeshadow. I decided that if I got the Violet Voss palette, then I wouldn't actually put eyeshadow on because I don't know if I'm going to keep it. So the Moda brush kit is a $27 brush kit, which makes sense. Royal and Langnickel is actually, it's a brush company, and not only do they make makeup brushes, they also make painting brushes that are very expensive. And when I was in makeup school, I actually went to Michael's and bought a bunch of the Royal and Langnickel paint brushes, and they doubled as makeup brushes. Okay, so my box comes out to about $140, we'll say $47, which is really good for these boxes. They were kind of getting a little bit on the cheaper end of things for a little bit, so I'm glad that they're stepping up their game a little bit. However, for me, unfortunately, they're stepping up their game isn't something that I actually enjoy, because I would never really have bet my money on this or this, and definitely not this. Unfortunately for me, this box, this month's BoxyCharm really does not check any of my boxes. Alright, so that was everything for September's BoxyCharm. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!